Hello everyone, my name is Andre McClendon, and today I'm going to talk about Quant. I'm going to get into some key details, talk about some technical analysis, the staking rewards, some news, and some market details. Let's get into it. So first off guys, Quant is ranking number 40 on 264,000 people's watch list. It's at $113.22. Now this cryptocurrency has been on a roller coaster the last few months. I have talked about it in the past. And you know, it's recent uptick since like last year, but now it has been trending down from there. Now guys, when it comes to this crypto, for me, I exited a lot of my positions already and haven't really seen much activity from it other than like possibly shorting it, which I've not got into it. But for those, I've talked to other people about staking Quant. Now Quant has a relatively low staking rewards amount. Now let's get into that. So if you are like buying it, dollar cost averaging, you're probably going to yield around a little bit less than 1%. And that's like from stakingcrypto.info. You can also go down here for stakingcrypto.io if you want to learn more about it. I will have this in the description box. And if you guys are down there, please like, share, and subscribe. Get this out there. Help me build the YouTube algorithm, and help me just help the channel grow. So for here, guys, like, is there any opportunity to get into it now? Like maybe catch it off of a bounce, but typically I want to see what's going to happen if it's going to respect this area right here or head back down lower. So typically for me guys, I'm just going to wait this crypto out. I thought buying down here was a really good idea. I talked about it in a couple videos, but I think it's going to have to make some more action and then basically some more bigger moves prior to me getting back into it. And let me see, where's it at? Like, we got a couple zones that people would typically look for, and if everyone's looking down there, possibly if they buy, it's probably going to shoot through and take them out of their trade. But I think that's going to possibly bounce down here, stay a little bit lower, and stay flat, and possibly head back down here. And this could be a good short. I'm gonna put it on my to-do list, to check for more shorts for this crypto, and maybe shorting this crypto for the next few weeks. Or maybe because we're on the monthly, so maybe a few months could be the best position for it. Now that it applies a lot of risk, guys. So if you guys are trading it, just understand there is risk. For me, once again, it's that trading advice. All this is basically talking about how I would approach it, and I would not go for the staking rewards. The staking rewards are just too low. So dollar cost averaging it, kind of you can get to maybe if it cups and heads back higher. But the rewards are not going to be great enough to offset if it heads down lower. Especially if it hits down here. That's like 11-12% more down. It'll take a long time in staking rewards to get your principal back. But that's my plan, guys. Basically, wait it out. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Just subscribe to the channel. Also, guys, let's look at some news. Here's Quant.network if you guys want their information about that. If you also want their Twitter page, it's Quant Network. Pretty popular with 127,000 followers. Here's staking rewards. But if you guys want to learn more about my services or about me, hit me up on my website, join my Telegram. Here's my services right here. Or if you guys want some free stuff, try the education MQL4, MQL5 stuff. But that's it, guys. I'll see you guys on the next video.